Welcome to the Magical Meadow. Today, we'll meet Lily, a brave little hero, and discover how coding can help make a baby dragon's dreams take flight. One sunny day, Lily found a baby dragon struggling to take off. It flapped and flapped, but nothing happened. Lily said, "Don't worry, little dragon. We can solve this. With code." Lily asked the wisest creature in the meadow for advice, a wise owl. The owl told Lily about a magical code that could help the dragon fly. Wise Owl said, "To help the dragon, you'll need glowing mushrooms to power the code. Look for them in the hidden glen." Lily and the dragon set off on a whimsical quest. They hopped over giggling streams, climbed ticklish trees, and dodged playful fireflies. It was like solving a fun puzzle with every step. The glen sparkles with glowing mushrooms. Lily gathers them into her basket and sits down to code the magical solution on her glowing tablet. With the glowing mushrooms in hand, it was time for Lily to write the code to create the sparkling elixir. Using loops and logic, she powered up the magic. Lily typing lines of code on her laptop. Each loop visually stirs the potion, which glows brighter with each step. As the charging code runs, a glowing bar fills up to 100%. Lily, excited, "It's ready. Let's test it."
With a mighty gulp, the dragon began to glow. Thanks to Lily's coding magic, it flapped its wings and, whoosh, it was flying. Twirling, looping, and soaring with joy. Lily, cheerful, "We did it, little dragon. You're flying." The dragon waves goodbye from the sky, and Lily waves back. Transition to Lily holding her tablet with the code visible on the screen. With the help of coding, Lily helped the dragon's dreams take flight. What magical creature would you help if you could? Write your own code and share your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for joining Lily on this magical coding adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun coding stories on Kids